Sometimes a Nepenthes will grow a small plant on the side, an offshoot or a basal shoot. And today we will discuss about how to spot them and what to do with them. So coming up. Hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Remy and I've been growing carnivorous plants since I'm 16. I've been focusing on Windowsill Nepenthes since I moved to Canada. On my last video, when I repotted the plants and cut the leaves to have less coverage and more water going to the substrate, I spot a basal shoot and I decided, okay, I will cut it to show you how to do it and how to basically duplicate the plant. So now that's going to be this video. Just a small things first. The basal shoot is when the plant is growing a small plant out of the main stem, the mother plant. It's really like raspberry. It will grow something on the roots under the substrate and then it will pop on the surface and then grow a new plant, a small plant. This is vegetative reproduction, if I may. So basically, there is no reproduction. The plant is cloning itself. Okay, maybe not this way, but still, it's cloning itself, so it's a pure duplication of the mother plant. So if you have a female plant, it will grow a female plant with the exact same characteristic, from colors to picture, everything. It's a duplication, a clone. The first step is unpot this plant. So I will take a tool to be able to go through the substrate gently without breaking too much roots and unpot it. Okay. So first I can see the substrate is great. 50-50 perlite sphagnum, so that's really great. And oh, interesting, there is bark at the bottom. So, and some clay too, so drainage. And okay, so that's okay, sphagnum, but kind of really packed. The sphagnum is still good, so I will definitely reuse it, but just making it fluffier. So I will put some classic mix with kind of a more drainage because it looks like it. Okay, look at the superb roots. Clearly, all this perlite, all this drainage did great. So I will do a lot of drainage too. And here we are. This is where the basil are. Okay, don't want to focus, so I will try something else. Okay, here, look at the basil and all the roots. And there is three basil, the big one, the medium one, and the small one. So it's a great surprise. So pick some sharp scissor, sterilized, and get ready to work. So the first thing will be finding an angle. It's going to be hard to have some roots to this basil. It's attached to the mother plant, so there is no best way or best place to cut it. Like just cut it as close as the main stem possible, and that's it. As you see, I decided to cut two leaves just to have space for watering. At least the water will touch the substrate. And yeah, nothing else for this one. This one is repotted. It's good to go. So now we'll take care of the basil. So there is three. This is the medium one. I had also the large one and the tiny one that was attached. Okay, now it's no longer attached. Large, medium, and small. So we will have to pot them. So now that's going to be easy. You wrap the unrooted cutting, if I may, this basil, and by having that, you will have moisture around the stem and hopefully it will grow roots. And after that, it's just regular potting. You put some substrate around and just to maintain it, you want really the bottom of this cutting to stay into contact with the humid dead sphagnum. Keep in mind that this basil will probably take, so they will grow and take more space. So if you have a big one like that, put that into a corner so it don't overgrown and shade the other small basil. So you just dig a hole and you put them and just make sure they stay into contact with the substrate again. And for tiny like that, there is not really a way. I would just find a place between two fiber and even if only the pitcher is outside, it's gonna be good enough. It's kind of small for basil, but I mean, I didn't have the choice, and I don't want to repot that in a month. So let's see in a month. I interrupt you a minute to ask you a favor. Could you please like this video and consider subscribing, hitting the little bell? That's the best way for you to see more videos like that. Okay, it's been a month now that I cut these three basil, and you'll see that everything is going good, not great. It's always taking some time to grow roots, but at least none of the plants looks dead, so that's already something good. They are probably growing some roots now, really like a cutting would do. So that's kind of a success. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will keep you updated on how grow this basil, these three basil. I'm expecting the big one to grow way faster because there is more leaves, more photosynthesis, more power, so more roots that will grow fast. So the small one, I'm expecting that to take quite some time to really kick off. So I will keep you updated on that in maybe 6 months, so you have an idea of how evolved this basil. So until next time, happy growing!